Happy video day, guys. So today's video is actually a impromptu video. I am filming this the night before. I'm probably gonna be posting it because I got a box in the mail that I want to share with you guys, and I figured I should just do it right now because I'm actually wanting to unbox this box. And if I wait and have to film this another day, I'm gonna have to wait like a few days, and I don't think I can wait that long. And it just so happens that besides the fact that I got this box in the mail, I also got another box in the mail, so I'm gonna share both of these boxes with you guys right now on camera. So what I'm talking about is right behind me. So I'm going to show you guys. It is the Jefree Star mystery box. So I got the $40 box. There was two different variations. I believe one is called premium, which I think that's what I got. And then there is a deluxe one, which was like a lot bigger, and it was like $75. I figured I didn't want to get that one because honestly, guys, Jefree Star has very fun makeup products, and honestly I sometimes get a little scared with the colors that he presents, and I was kind of like, you know what, I think I can do the 41 and risk the fact that I'll probably get some colors in here that I probably will be a little scared of using. But I didn't want to do the $75 one, and I also know there was going to be like merchandise in the $75 one that might not be in this one, and I was like, I don't know if I want that much merchandise, so that's why I ended up with the $40 one. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this together. I'm going to show you guys everything I got, and I'm actually kind of nervous. And then also, this was actually pretty cool because this was very unexpected. I actually received this box right here in the mail from Pixi. So I actually got a PR box from Pixi, so I'm going to open it up with you guys together so you guys can see what I got. I actually have no idea what's in that box, so we're going to find out together. So we got two mystery boxes today. Guys, if I look like a disaster, I'm so sorry, but I literally, it's like 8 o'clock at night. I just started filming this, and I just had a whole long day, so I am just like, I want to go to sleep. So let's go ahead and let's open up this box. Let's see. I already cut the tape so that I wouldn't have to be doing that on camera. I don't think I did a good job because I still can't open it. I figured, hey, let me cut the tape so I don't cut my fingers while I'm trying to cut the tape, and I didn't cut it good. How do you open this thing? Doesn't this kind of remind you of the Joker? This looks like so familiar to me. It reminds me of like something like the Joker from Batman would have, you know? Like, was it the Joker or is it the Riddler? I don't know. One of those two. Oh! It has a flap that you just open. So easy. Alright, so you get pink paper inside. And then we get our products. Woo! Okay, so let's see. First thing that I see is a pop socket. I do know a lot of people got these pop sockets. I am interested in seeing if I can use this. I actually have a phone that does the air charging. Like, you put it on this flat charger thingy and it charges it from the back of the phone. I don't know if I could put this on if that goes on that thing. I don't know. Whatever. I'll figure it out. But this is actually cool. I've actually always seen people with pop sockets. I'm fine. It's a little red one, so it looks just like this. You guys are wondering, it looks like that. Okay. So the next thing that we got is a liquid lipstick in the color Can't Relate. So it looks like this, and the color is Can't Relate. So let's see what it looks like, the actual color. And I'll swatch some for you. Maybe I'll actually try some on for you guys. But the ones that I don't think I'm going to wear, I may just put in a giveaway. You guys know how I am. If I know I'm not going to use something, I'd rather give it to you guys. This one's really pretty though, and I think I'm going to keep it. So it looks like this, guys. This is like, honestly, this is like such a beautiful color. And it has like this really shiny like exterior. The packaging has glitter all over it. Yes, the packaging. That is really, really pretty. And this is a velour liquid lip. And it's in oh, this is a pretty color. Okay, so this is totally a color that I would wear. Oh, this is beautiful. This was only $40, and I think his liquid lipsticks are like close to 20. So this one I'm really excited about. I really love this color. Can't Relate. So that was really beautiful. So we have another color in Watermelon Soda. Huh. And it comes in this really cute pink packaging, which I love. I love the pink. Let me tell you guys, Jefree Star, this guy knows how to package product, because, you know, it's not all about just the product. It's also the packaging. And look at this stuff. This is like the most beautiful packaged product I've seen in a long time. It looks heavy duty. Like, it looks like the product is good, but you're also getting a beautiful, like, presentation, which to me means a lot, because I just think sometimes when you buy expensive stuff and then the packaging is like crappy, you're like, couldn't you spend a little bit of that extra profit on the packaging? And this guy knows how to do it. So that is pretty amazing. Oh my God, what do I have in my nails? I have like powder in my nails. Sorry. But anyways, so it looks just like this. This is, oh God, this is so beautiful. Let me see this color. Am I going to wear this color? Actually, I think I might wear this color too. Yeah, this is a really pretty pink. It's called Watermelon Soda. So I'll try these two colors on for you guys before this video ends. So I don't know, maybe I'll put the like swatches in, or I'll put them at the end. I'm not sure. All right, so now we have the color Triggered. Ooh, I'm wondering what this is gonna look like. So it looks just like that. It has that same white packaging, and I am a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Is this black? I hope it's not black. Ooh, actually, you know what? It might be a dark brown. So it looks like this. That's a this packaging is like phenomenal. What color is this? Is this purple? All right, guys, I don't know if I would actually use this color. I'm gonna hold on to this one for right now. I'm not gonna actually swatch it because I think it might be like a dark purple. So let me put that one aside for right now. Okay, so now in this lip ammunition, we actually got the color Starfish. And guys, it looks like a peach. It looks like a peach. And you guys know how obsessed I am with peach. I'm so obsessed with peach. I love anything that has to, like, I love peach. Like, I love peach. I hope it's peach. This looks peach. Let's hope it's peach. Oh my God. Look at this packaging. So this is the lip ammunition. And guys, this is the coolest packaging ever. Like, honestly, like, kudos to him. Okay, it's not peach. It's more of a pinky hot pink. But this is a color that I would wear, I think. It's a little bit more on the pinky hot pink side than I'm used to. But I think if I mix in like a dark lip liner, I probably could pull it off. So I do actually like it, but I really love the packaging. This is freaking adorable. All right, so far I'm happy. I thought it was gonna be peach. That would have been really cool if it would have been a peach color. Too bad. It looks peachier. All right, Skin Frost. Deep Freeze. Oh, is this the blue one? Okay, so I got this one right here. It's a Skin Frost from Jefree Star, and it's called Deep Freeze. And what color are you? This is a beautiful packaging as well. Ooh, and it's blue. Huh. So this is a highlighter? How would a blue highlighter look on me? Like, I don't know. Would that look like, will I look like a Smurf? I don't know. Huh. I'm questioning this one. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this one to see how people can use this, because if you can use it like kind of like, if you can use this as eyeshadow and maybe blow it off the sides, it might actually look really cool and like some cool eye looks. Or if you can use this as an eyeshadow, it might look cool too. I'm not 100% sure if this would look any good on my cheeks. If you had a darker skin tone maybe. I'm gonna hold on to this one. I'm not even gonna swatch it because I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna think about that one, you know? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, I actually think that this was a pretty good box. I've got 3 basically lipsticks that I think are really, really nice. So in reality, 2 of the products, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to use them, but this kind of paid for the box anyways, and it was probably a little bit even more than the box was worth. And I mean, technically the Skin Frost is still really nice. I just need to know how to use it. The only one I probably will not wear is this color Triggered. It just looks too dark, and I think it's like a real dark purple. Like, I'm pretty sure. So I already know I'm not gonna wear the Triggered color. It's a beautiful color for somebody who likes these dark tones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys actually in this video. So if you guys want to win this velour liquid lipstick from Jefree Star, go to the description box. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link down there that you guys can follow to a generator. And the only reason I'm gonna do that is just so I know how to contact you guys. And the only requirement will be that you comment on this video and tell me what was your favorite product that I got in my box. And then also give the video a like and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube to win. And that's it. That'll be only requirements to win this. And then I will pick somebody in like 2 weeks and you will get this lipstick, because I know I'm not going to use it, so I might as well just give it to one of you guys. And now I'm going to think about the Deep Freeze color and see if it's something I want to keep in my collection or give away in another giveaway. But for right now, I'm going to probably keep it. So I'm going to put this box back here, and then we'll jump back to that so I could try on the lipstick lip colors for you, the ones that I want to keep. But let's jump into this Pixie Box. Ooh, man, guys, this stuff is staying. It's gonna be hard to come off. Oh, and the pop socket was cool too. I forgot about that. Okay. All right, let's jump into this Pixie Box. So I already took off the tape so I wouldn't have to be sitting here. And I got this Pixie Box like that. Oh, God. I have no idea what's in here. And it says Pixie Love. You see how cute that is? So we'll open it up together. What's in it? What is it? You guys are going to see it first? Okay. So it looks like that. What a beautiful box they sent, huh? I actually don't even want to stop. Oh my God, I didn't expect that. I was thinking it was going to be some of those like face products that people have been getting, but these are like eyeshadow palettes. Holy cannolis, this is not what I thought I was going to be getting. This is so cool. Genuinely, guys, I'm like super shocked. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Look how beautiful. I'm really, really, really excited. I cannot wait to dive into these. You guys will definitely be seeing me try these. And what is this thing? There's this really cute little green box at the end. I don't know. There's this cute little green box at the end. Oh my God, it comes with little brushes. I am so excited. Oh my God, let me see what these feel like. Huh, they feel nice. I'm excited. Guys, I am genuinely so excited. I cannot wait to start using these. You definitely will be seeing me use these in upcoming Instagram videos and on the channel because I'm shocked. I was not expecting this. Let's see what some of these feel like. Look how beautiful. Okay, so this is really, really pigmented. Oh, they feel super soft. So this one here is called Reflex Light, and this one here is called Natural Beauty. I cannot wait to put these on. I did swatch some of them. They feel really creamy and awesome. So yeah, wow. I am so excited, guys. Like, you don't understand. Like, it really makes me, like, I'm a loss for words. Thank you guys so much at Pixi for sending this over to me. I will definitely be using it because, yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to try it out. But yeah, so, super cool. All right, so that is all we've got in this video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on some of the Jefree Star lipsticks so you guys can see the ones that I got in case you're going to get this box and you want to see what the colors look like on the lips. Oh my God, these smell amazing. This smells like candy. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch so you guys can see. Looks like that. And I'm going to go ahead and take it off as fast as possible so it doesn't dry down, just so it's not a pain. Let's try on, I want to try this one. I want to try on Can't Relate. That's a cool color. Now this is super like concealer shade, but I think with the right lip liner. So that's just a quick swatch of Can't Relate. It's going to look good with a good lip liner for sure. So that's the lip line ammo, which is called Starfish. Holy crap, that's pink. That's super pink. But like I said, with the right lip liner, girl, that's pink. But with the right lip liner, I think I could probably make this work. We'll see. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to be able to make this work with the right lip liner. So yeah, that is all the products that I got in my Jefree Star mystery box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of another one on top to just kind of like calm down this color a little bit. Let's just... So yeah, guys, that is all I got in the Jefree Star mystery box as well as my PR box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that it helped you guys if you guys are waiting for your mystery box or if you're planning on getting one in the future. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me those thumbs up. Leave me your comments below. Don't forget, enter the giveaway and somebody will be winning this liquid lip from Jefree Star. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.